Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRDP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, but it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from, but definitely some updates here need to be made now that we have more data. The first thing I want to do is kind of making a little adjustment. Like I said, we have more data, and the key thing here is, the direction of the adjustment. And when resistance levels are getting adjusted in the upwards direction, like I'm doing right here, that is a good thing. Now, if a resistance level is being adjusted downwards, not such a good thing. But here, now that we have more data with the price, fluctuating right up around 12 cents, it seems as though that is more so the more accurate area of resistance going into Thursday. So 12 cents, not necessarily a new level of resistance, but I would say kind of a more accurate and nailed down area of resistance because we have a whole nother day's worth of data after today. So 12 cents, that next key level going forward, and that'll essentially be the breakout point if the price can, muster up enough volume and momentum to get through it. So keep an eye on 13 cents. As far as levels of support, this is where nothing else comes into play other than confirmation. What do I mean by confirmation? Well, for those of you that did watch the video on Tuesday, hopefully you remember me talking about 8 cents, and you can see that during this crazy period this morning, price went down there and didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree it got well within the range and bounced off of that 8 cent mark. So first off, congratulations to any technical players that noticed that, and that was a great entry point. But point here being that is a level that you would want to see act as support, and it did indeed act as support. So that's a nice little sign of strength going forward. The other level of support to keep an eye on for more so the overall arching point of view is the purple line right here, which is that famous 50-period simple moving average. But again, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, you have 12 cents, and then as far as levels of support are concerned, you have 8 cents, and then the 50-period simple moving average. So still a couple of days left this week. We'll see if the bulls can get that break of 12 or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.